Well, this is James P. Madonna of Mega Life 21, the hardest hitting internet talk radio station on the planet. And I am here in Dover, New Jersey at a very beautiful park by a very nice, serene, tranquil, is that a word? Tranquility? Babbling Brook, an authentic, natural, relaxing, beautiful babbling brook here in northwestern New Jersey. And as you can see, it is an authentic babbling brook. And there it is, babbling away. All right. Beautiful park. There's a bridge. There's the woods. It's a lot better than all the idiotic right-wing fundamentalist zealot religious nut Republicans that I have to deal with on the internet with their ridiculous babbling without facts, without substance, with no proof on their side whatsoever, and to deal with their insane, idiotic, self-righteous comments that come off the top of their head. So instead of dealing with the right-wing babble, I am enjoying babbling from nature. Hey, I need a break from the internet once in a while. Lovely. Moving water brings prosperity, according to Feng Shui.